Passion overcomes all odds, and the love for singing has made Harsha Hashmital one of the most successful Indo-Fijian singers of the country. Despite criticism from society, the 27-year-old has fought her way through the music industry from the local to international stage. Jeshulal with tonight's success story.
Her talent was not recognized while she was young, but Harsmital got recognition while singing for local bands.
I'm actually very lucky to, at least at my young age, I get to do a song, and it's never too late to pursue your dream. So I took this as a learning curve, as a growing thing that I actually love to do.
Being an Indo-Fijian singer was not something accepted in her community, but the negative comments did not deter her spirit.
I guess in Fiji or in any music industry, people do get negative feedback. So we cannot stop the criticism, but we just take it in a positive way and we just try to improve ourselves so we can actually make at least some people happy.
Harsmital, through her music releases, has also had offers for collaboration from Ethok musicians.
And my plan is that to do more covers and come up with more originals and collab with even Ethok musicians as they have approached me as well. So it's good to see that people from different groups are trying to do music with you, and they actually want the Indian touch as well.
She says the global pandemic may have affected the music industry in Fiji. However, she practices singing while at home.
Since we all rely on events and we need people to actually move around, so it might take a while for musicians to get that platform again. But
Harsmital's album release this year got a lot of recognition from the audience, which earned her accolades for her performance. Jeshulal, FBC News.